How to sign in to CapCut using the QR code. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your CapCut using the QR code. So there are pretty many ways to sign into your CapCut. Like I'm going to show you how you can sign in. When you open your CapCut, you will see an interface like this. Log into TikTok, sign in with Google, sign in with email, Facebook. So you can do any one of it. But if you don't see the very option of log into CapCut with a QR code, I'll show you how you can do it. Go to the Google and search for CapCut QR code. And after you search for it, you will be able to see a screen like this. So it is also shown how you can do it. Open the CapCut app on your phone, tap me on the screen, that is the three vertical lines, and then you can simply scan it. So you can simply go back and you can tap on me, and here on the three vertical lines, if you see there, you will see this very option of a scan option. If you don't see, then you can simply go to the Google and scan the CapCut just like this. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.